Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today is an exciting day, at least for me it is, because today I'm going to introduce you to the Stanley Way XJ. My son's going to be driving soon, which means he's going to take over the Ford Explorer that you've seen in the videos before. So I took this opportunity to buy myself a project that I've wanted for many years. So I looked around, found a decent deal on a good running stock 1999 Jeep Cherokee. So I'm going to be making a bunch of videos on the build process, and along the way I'm going to fix a lot of things that's wrong with a bunch of Jeep Cherokees. So yes, this Cherokee has a lot of problems that every Cherokee deals with. Cooling problems, leaks, oil leaks from the oil filter adapter on the engine, oil leaks from the rear main seal, coolant leaks, power steering problems, brake problems, death wobble. Death wobble so bad I don't even want to drive it anymore. Sagging springs, wore out shocks, you name it. If you've driven a Jeep before, especially a Jeep Cherokee, you know exactly what I'm talking about. But along the way, we're also going to do some other videos of some fun stuff. We're going to put a lift on it, put some wheels and tires on it, show you what you need to do to complete those jobs. We're going to put a weld-it-yourself winch bumper on the front. I'm not really sure what we're going to do on the back yet. As far as a bumper, tire carrier, I don't know, we'll have to figure that out later. So I hope you will join me in the building of this Jeep. It's gonna be fun, it's gonna be informative, and it's gonna be something I love to do. It's something I've always wanted to do. All you have to do is sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Thanks for watching, and if you have any ideas on what you would like me to do with this XJ, let me know in the comments. As always, I appreciate your support. Thanks for watching, see you real soon.